I'm going to release this video. We'll see who is the winner. So make sure that you watch the first video. This one, third winner. The second winner, this is for the grand winner. I'm being generous right now, so I'm going to add the fourth winner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So this is gonna be a fun video because I'm going to show you guys the 3 different boxes for this winners we're gonna have in about a week. I'm going to release this video and then you guys will see who is the winner gonna be posted on my community. So make sure that you watch the first video, the first giveaway, and make sure that you follow the rules in there, okay? Because otherwise I will be going through there and see which one is gonna be the one that's watching my video, engaging on the video, and I know who's been doing that. So anyway, this is not gonna be a long video. I just wanted to show you guys individual amazing winner box. So this one, it's going to be the third winner. I just want to show you guys what this box going to have. So this box, it's gonna have this purse. This is a full size. They're not mini guys, so they're actually really great. And it has the sling or the chain, and then you're gonna have this beautiful makeup palette. So this color, this one is actually really cool. So if you are very arty or something like that, you love makeup, that's perfect. You can play around. And this one, it's my favorite one. It is from Ensign. It has that beautiful neutral color that you guys can play around, you know. And then this box will have this really cute necklace. It's a fashion necklace. It's like a choker one. And then you have the nail glitters. You do have a body wash, and then you have a set of lashes with the glue, and then makeup sponge, and then you have sunglasses. So that, and then of course you're going to have a sweet. This is my favorite actually. I'm going to put some Pume, this one, in the box, and some more chocolate in here, more chocolate in here. So this is the third winner. So this one, it is the second winner, and this is going to have this purse. This is really cute actually. You do have sling right here, and then it's going to have the trio necklace, and then of course the sunglasses, which I really like the sunglasses, and then it's gonna have the lashes, and then the eye palette, and it's also gonna have, this is like the 4 shade of palette of highlighters, and then of course the refresher body cream lotion, and then it's gonna have this beautiful nail art nail polish, and then you're gonna have a wipes, and of course it's a set of Ulta like that. So you're gonna have this set Ulta. So then you have the incense eyeshadow as well too, and of course you're gonna have a chocolate sweet in here, and then like that. So this one guys is the biggest box. This is for the grand winner. This person have done everything the rules is. It is going to have this beautiful bag. This is the grand prize is going to have. It's a beautiful bag, lashes, of course the nail art or nail polish, and then it's gonna have a bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer by the way guys, and then it's the Ensign one. It's that color, and it's gonna have a skincare mask in here, and then this is the makeup foundation sponge like that, and then the sunglasses, the pink one, it's gonna be like, yes, and then of course she's gonna have this one, the lotion, and the necklace is actually my favorite one. And then of course the sweet, so she's gonna have sweet right here. Of course I'm gonna put more, and then she's gonna have the set of the lipstick. And then guys, of course she's the winner. She's gonna have the set of this. This is the bonus prize on her box. All this color that she can play around with her sisters or her daughter or anybody. I love this one. There you go. We have a 3 winner that I showed you guys, but I'm being generous right now, so I'm going to add the 4th winner. So I'm going to show you guys what is the 4th winner is going to have. The 4th winner is going to have this beautiful fashion bag, and then she's gonna have this 3-layer the necklace. So if you watch the first video, you'll know what this look like. It's gonna have this MAC lashes, and then she is going to have this makeup bag. That's what she's gonna have. So the 4th winner is going to have all of this eyeshadow palette in here, the contour, and then the highlights, and then the lipsticks, everything. So it's all in one in here, and then she have that brushes on the top. 4th winner will also have chocolate as well too, so I'm going to send this. But anyway, that's all. We have 4 total of winner on this giveaway, so make sure that you check out the first video for when I started, so that you guys can see what is the rules in there, so you'll be able to join in this giveaway, international giveaway, because I will be sending this bags probably the 18th. This giveaway is gonna end on the 15th, and I want to make sure that I'll be able to send this one, because whatever you live, then I'll have, like, you know, time to send this bags. And also don't forget to share the news with your friends and family so that they can join in this giveaway amazing product. Okay, so bye.